Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make emergency stop button wirings electrical diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Magnetic contactor, buzzer, emergency stop switch, NC and NO point, manual NO switch, manual stop NC switch. First phase connection connect to magnetic contactor, second phase connection to magnetic contactor L2 terminal, third phase connection to magnetic contactor L3 terminal. Neutral connection connect to buzzer. Neutral connection connect to magnetic contactor coil connection. First phase connection from source to stop switch NC and NO point. Phase connection outgoing from stop switch NC point to connect manual stop NO switch. Phase connection from manual stop switch to manual stop NC switch. Phase connection from manual stop NC switch to connect contactor NO point and coil connection. Phase connection short with NO and NC switch to contactor NO point. Phase connection outgoing from emergency switch NO point to buzzer. Three phase connection for your load. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.